Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Compact Digital Toaster Oven Broiler. Has lots of great features and functions like all of our products. First, you'll notice it has a beautiful stainless steel housing, and it's 0.35 cubic feet. So it has a really nice small footprint, but it's packed with lots of great features. It can hold 4 slices of toast, bagels, or English muffins, or it can do a 9-inch pizza. Let's look at some of the great functions. On the panel here, you notice there are 7. The first is toast, then bagel, then bake, then broil, sandwich function, leftovers, and even a keep warm function. So the way that you operate the machine is you use this dial in combination with these buttons. You roll the dial to go through the functions that you're going to pick. So today the first one we're going to do is toast. So I can show you how to toast. Basically, all you do is you roll to the toast function, then you hit shade control. That activates our always even shade control, so you get perfect results every time. Then all you do is, once again, you roll the dial from the lowest all the way to the top, which is the darkest. So the more dots you have, the darker your toast will come out. Then what you do is you hit start, and then it'll start doing the toasting function. Let's look at some of the other functions. The bagel works the same way as toast. Then we're going to go to bake. And you notice here it has a temperature display and a time display. First, what we're going to do is pick the temperature. And the same thing, you just roll through. It goes from 160 to 500. It goes both directions. So if you go below 160, it goes to 500, or you just go the other way and the same thing happens. Then what you do is you actually hit the time. And now the time is flashing, so you know that's what you're setting. Same thing with the time. Roll the dial and it will display your time. It goes up to 2 minutes. Then once you pick your time, just hit start, and that activates the function. So let's look at the inside of the oven now that you've seen how some of the 7 major functions work. Notice you have a wide handle here, so that your hands stay away from the glass door. It stays cool to the touch. Just pull it open. And did you notice how the rack came out right on its own? It has a little lever here that pulls the rack out, so in case you have your hands full, you can pull the rack out with one hand, slide your pan in, and then close it. This rack has multiple positions, so check the IB for all the great positions you can use. The other thing is that the piece comes with a baking tray and broiling rack. This is the rack that you use inside this tray when you're going to broil anything like a piece of fish. And then the other thing I want to show you is that it has a removable crumb tray in the front. And remember to always keep your crumb tray clean. It's really important in case you get any big drips or spills in the bottom, in case you have any type of overflow when you're cooking anything. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to bake this pizza. We formed it right in the pan that comes with the oven. We're just going to put a couple extra ingredients in here. Some basil, just sprinkle it on top. And you know, like I said, this is a compact oven, but this is a pretty generous sized pizza. You could get 4 really nice slices out of it. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to set the oven, and then we're going to put the pizza in. So we're going to set it on bake, and today we're going to do it on 400. So we're going to hit temperature, turn the dial to 400. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit the time, and we're going to put it on 20 minutes. We're going to turn the dial down to 20 minutes, hit start, open the oven, slip in the pizza, and there you have it. The Cuisinart Compact Digital Toaster Oven Broiler. It's cute, it's compact, and it's packed with lots of great features.